Welcome to another pathway to nature. This one is the beauty pathway, and it's a good helper pathway. Add in a little bit of beauty to any of the other pathways, and it's a more beautiful path. We have an innate sense for beauty and appreciation for beauty, and the things that we see as beautiful, we feel connected to and drawn to. And really, when I look around, all I see here is beauty. Beautiful, strong, old, white pine. The color, the bark, the shape. Color of those leaves. The sky behind them. The variable landscape. The sparkling stream. Over here, these asters have caught my eye. The patterns we see. The delicate forms of life, this grass. We can also make beautiful things. Here's a little hole. Let's beautify. Lots of pine cones around. They've got a cool pattern. Circles, spirals. These are beautiful things. Patterns. And of course, we could spend a lot more time than I am. Looking for more acorns. But maybe 3 will do. Maybe one of them will even grow. How about I cover it up? There we go. A beautiful planting on a beautiful day in a beautiful place. Beautiful sounds. Slow down. Take it in. Appreciate. Notice. Be grateful. On the beauty pathway.